Hi everyone, welcome to the onboarding video to Shri app, the new app for Omniscience. And again, if you are in residential or commercial contracting business, you own it, check this out. This is a new app that does a lot for you. So today we're going to go over some onboarding ideas. So if you are new and you're just joining us today, welcome. What we highly suggest you go through the survey. So that allows the app to know you better and it will guide you through different types of solutions, right? So the whole idea is you don't have to think about it. There's this AI partner that thinks for you. So it needs to know a few things about it. So you quickly go over this survey and then actually sometimes if you don't, you can skip it as well. Because I've already completed mine, I'm just gonna go straight in the platform. Sorry, I was trying to pull out my last. So here's my login. So once you log in, the first thing you want to do for onboarding, on the left hand side, look at this little stuff here. If you're not premium, click there, get the premium. It's worth it. But if you're using free version, perfectly fine. This little toggle lets you change bright versus dark mode. I personally prefer dark mode, but it's your preference. And then if you go and click on the settings, and then if you are admin or the owner, you're going to get a little bit more than other folks. So if you're the admin especially and you're still onboarding, you want to go under your organization and make sure your organization details are pulled in well here. So what AI does is once you provide your website and if you can sync the data, it should pull all those information from your website and the internet, so you shouldn't have to worry about it. But you might want to go and check, hey, is your tax code right? Because it's doing a lot of these back-end search and analysis for you that you wanted to do right. It understands my projects and services, but if I want to change certain things, this is the place where you want to set it up. And here's another neat thing. So I can actually change the color. So the idea is if um, I want to personalize this for myself a little bit more, um, it's saying, yep, I can do it. I have to edit my organization, click on the primary colors, be a little patient. I'm turning it to blue, save it. So you will see the change come through a little bit. So, but I mean, that's just some cool thing. You can add your photo and you can do all of that. But right now, let's go check out the admin panel. So on the corner there, you can see the team. You can see who all are in the applications. You can always, look at who is asking to come into your app within your organization. And then this is what is important for onboarding. So when you go to the data, make sure you're connecting as many data elements as you can. And QuickBook, amazing things, cool features with QuickBooks. So do connect QuickBook. You can connect Google. If you're Stripe, you can do that, or you can also request new ones. So if you want to say, you have an application that you want to connect, but the data source is not here, maybe you'll find it here in this list, and we can bring it in quickly. So you can do all of that cool stuff, and this just goes through your OAuth, so super safe. Go do that, right? And then once you are connected with this data, you're ready to go. I think that's really the first couple of things that you want to do. You do want to come back and make sure, once the data is all ready, if it is right, if you want to add your logo, you want to personalize certain things, you can do all that good stuff. and then boom, then you're ready to go. So what the AI does is like every time I change my information, it is going and personalizing the experience for me. It's trying to go and find out my industry news, my industry regulations. So it knows a lot about us, right? Just from the tax code. So it's going to do all of that good stuff and bring me this information, the other features that we have already looked at. So this is a quick onboarding video. If you want to come back to the main page, always try to follow this little logo here. So if you click there, most of the time you're outside, you're going to get back in the main screen. All right. Thanks for joining.